In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up account-based marketing in HubSpot, step by step. First, go to CRM and click on Contacts. From here, you can identify and create the target accounts you want to focus on. Next, click on the Settings or gear icon to edit your contact settings. Scroll down to Objects and select Contacts, then go to the Accounts or ABM section. You can also click on More to view associations between contacts and companies. From here, you can define account tiers like high, medium, or low priority for your target accounts. You can also create ABM workflows to send personalized emails and automate actions for those accounts. Finally, track engagement using the reports and dashboards available in HubSpot. Once everything is set up, you're good to go. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. See you in the next one.